Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a blueberry peanut butter dog cake. Tomorrow is John John's gotcha day, so of course I'm making a cake to celebrate the day that we drove halfway across the country to get him. So if you're a crazy dog mom like me and you want to celebrate your dog for their birthday, for their gotcha day, or for just a regular Tuesday, then this blueberry peanut butter dog cake is a must bake. Let me show you guys how to make it. So John is feeling lazy today and he is over there taking a nap in his bed and he said, "Mom, just go ahead and make the cake. I will eat it when it's done." I'm sure he'll make his way in here as soon as I open the peanut butter. So first step in making this blueberry peanut butter dog cake is preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And so you guys only need 5 ingredients to make this peanut butter dog cake at home. You guys can do this in a mixing bowl just like I'm doing. You can mix it up with a whisk, a spatula, you could use your hand mixer, you could use your stand mixer. This recipe is so easy. So first we're gonna add 113 grams of creamy peanut butter to our mixing bowl. And now we're just using the organic Costco peanut butter. This is my favorite peanut butter. It's what we buy for us. It's also what I use for John. The only ingredients are peanuts and salt. Whenever you're giving peanut butter to your dogs, you always wanna make sure that you're using a creamy peanut butter. Don't use a chunky one because dogs can't digest whole nuts well. And you wanna make sure that you're using a peanut butter that's free of added sugars, flavors, seed oils, and especially xylitol. That is incredibly toxic to dogs, and I have heard they put it in some peanut butters. I don't know why, but you want to stay away from all that stuff whenever you're giving peanut butter to your dog. And next we're going to add in half a cup of coconut milk. And now you guys can use oat milk if you want. That's also safe for dogs, but you just want to make sure that you're going to use oat milk or coconut milk that don't have any added sugars or flavors. A lot of these milks will have added natural flavors or will have added sugars to make them taste a little bit better. You just want to make sure that you guys avoid that whenever giving that kind of milk to your dog. And then never give your dog almond milk. That is not great for them. They can't really digest almonds well. And many dogs are lactose intolerant, so you want to stay away from a regular kind of dairy milk as well. And then next we have 1 large egg. Now we're just going to whisk together the coconut milk, egg, and peanut butter. And then last, we're adding in 127 grams of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then we're just gonna mix this up with a spatula until the flour and peanut butter mixture is completely combined. And so you're just gonna need a 6-inch cake pan, and then I'm gonna line this with parchment paper. Now we're just gonna transfer this batter to the cake pan and spread it out evenly. Now we're gonna bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the cake is done. You just wanna make sure that you guys check it with a butter knife or a toothpick, even a chopstick. Just stick it in the middle to ensure that it comes out clean. Once your cake is cooled, you can put it on a cake plate or a cake stand. And then we're gonna frost this with just some simple peanut butter. Dogs love peanut butter and it makes a perfect frosting for this single layer cake. Oh, hi, you decided to join me. Are you gonna help? You want to help? I'm going to frost your cake right now. John has made his way into the kitchen. The peanut butter is out, the cake is done, he is ready. Then you're just going to spread some peanut butter right on top of this cake. And let your dog lick the spoon. Once the peanut butter is on top of the cake, then it's just time to top this with fresh blueberries. And now you could top this with another dog-friendly fruit as well. You could use strawberries, you could use blackberries, bananas, apples, whatever your dog likes, feel free to use on top. You guys could also even use freeze-dried strawberries. I've done that before for a friend who had a girl dog for birthday because they're like bright pink, so it's super cute, and those are a delicious snack for dogs. And now this blueberry peanut butter dog cake is ready to serve. What do you think, John? It's all for you because I love you so much and we're so happy that we got you. And John approves. If you guys want more easy dog recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen. We hope your dog loves this blueberry peanut butter dog cake as much as John does. While it's fun to let your dog lick the frosting and try to eat the whole cake, make sure to cut it up into small pieces so that they can easily enjoy. The best way to do it is to cut up into small pieces and put it in their bowl, or you can just break off little pieces and give it to them as treats.